Hi. I am actually staring at the package I just received, and I am very confused. I think you guys made a pretty big mistake.
Oh, I am so sorry to hear that, sir. My name is Emily. I can definitely help you with that. Can you please tell me what seems to be the problem?
Well, last week I ordered a new laptop for my work. It was supposed to be the silver model with the big screen, but I just opened the box, and inside there is a toaster. A kitchen toaster.
Oh my goodness, a toaster? That is definitely not a laptop. I am so sorry about that. That must be very frustrating.
Yeah, it is. Especially because I have a big presentation on Monday. So I really need that laptop. Can we fix this quickly?
Absolutely. We will fix this right now. Do you have your order number ready? It should be in your email.
Yes, I have it right here. Let me read it to you. It is number 55 99 32. Did you get that?
Yes, number 55 99 32. Okay, I see your order here. One silver laptop. Wow, our warehouse really made a mistake. Okay, here is what I am going to do.
Okay, I'm listening.
I am going to send a replacement laptop to you immediately. And because it was our mistake, I am going to use overnight express shipping, so it will arrive at your house tomorrow morning. Does that work for you?
Tomorrow morning? Really? That would be amazing. Thank you. I was really worried about my presentation.
You are very welcome. And don't worry about the shipping cost. It is free. Now, about the toaster.
Right, the toaster. Do I need to go to the post office to return it? Honestly, I am very busy today.
No, you don't need to do that. It was our error. Please, just keep the toaster. Maybe give it to a friend? Or keep it for your kitchen?
Really? I can keep it? Well, my old toaster is pretty bad, so maybe this is good luck. Thank you, Emily. You were very helpful.
It was my pleasure. Enjoy your new laptop. And your toast. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Bye.